Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Finally I am at this place. FIDM.
Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising.
Finally I am here. I was thinking of coming this way about 10 years. I got here. Let's see. Well, dear viewers, as you can see, I've turned my dining room front wall into an art gallery for you, so you can enjoy watching this video. Why I'm sharing all this? Because it's one of my favorite hobbies and I love making fashion jewelry, especially necklaces, earrings and bracelets. As I keep repeating, things happen for a reason. And in 2019, right before the COVID lockdowns had started, I decided to go to the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising in downtown Los Angeles. For that exact date, I didn't even know what's coming up next, but I asked for a guided campus tour and I enjoyed looking at all kinds of creative ideas, starting from knitting from tapes and ending with coconut thread. Yes, I was just falling in love with all kinds of creations by the students of FIDM, and by then I was sure that I would go back as a student myself. But things happened and now I'm just enjoying looking around and deciding on my own fashion jewelry, working on ideas, thinking about what to do, what girls and women like wearing, like buying and sharing. So I have started to make my own brooches. Very soon I'll have a presentation. It will be an online presentation as nobody knows me and I don't have enough finances to present it offline, to hire people to work for me or to make a team to present it, but I promise that I will do a presentation online. Meanwhile, enjoy my trip to one of the fashion jewelry stores. I can't even remember, it was in the Riverside Mall or Glendale Galleria, but I fell in love with this store because they had almost all my favorite earrings, all styles that I checked out. All of them were my favorites.
And I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. I will never let you go. I will never let you go. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. My sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true.
If you've liked this random tour at fashion jewelry stores, please put your thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends. Come back for more.